As a contractor to operators of convenience stores, grocery stores, and restaurants, you play a critical role in helping them to deliver fresh and safe food to their customers. But what if you could also help them to grow their profit and in the process reduce installation and maintenance headaches? With the Copeland Digital Outdoor Refrigeration Unit X-Line series, you can. We designed the Copeland Digital X-Line to support multiplex system configurations and address a wide range of operational concerns. Featuring a Copeland Digital Scroll compressor, the Copeland Digital X-Line continually modulates its capacity to precisely match changing refrigeration loads. This allows one unit to supply refrigeration to multiple walk-in coolers, display cases, or prep tables, and deliver precise temperatures and efficient load matching for each fixture. Instead of relying solely on muscle, with one condensing unit per fixture running at 100% capacity, regardless of demand, the Copeland Digital X-Line adds finesse and flexibility to this equation. And by having just one unit for multiple fixtures, you'll multiply the operational advantages for you and your customers. Add refrigeration reach. Subtract installation costs and footprint complexities. Add connectivity and diagnostics. Subtract service surprises. Add reliability and efficiency. Subtract customer concerns. Add one unit. Subtract all others. So if you're ready to see how one condensing unit serves multiple fixtures and reduces installation and maintenance headaches, consider the many advantages of the Copeland Digital X-Line. Visit climate.emerson.com/digitalxline for more information.